Transformers, subscribe. Tech in the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Transformation for Magic Squares version 3 of Ultra Magnus. Take these missiles off. You do need the white guns. Well, it's not 100% needed, but the two white guns here, you do need them, kind of. And I'll let you know what I mean by that when we get there. So, we can move the arms out. You know, most Ultra Magnus has the same arm movements. There's like splits right here, so you know where to move it out. So then you're moving that out. This automatically goes to where it needs to go, like that. Then you can move this piece right here, slide that up over the fist. Then there's a piece in here that you want to pull out and tab into this little tab here. So if it's looking like this, you got to move it out farther. It is a little tight, and then it's too far. So what I do is move it out all the way, and then you just push it in as you're pushing this in to get it to the proper place for that thing. And right here, you can flip this piece around. It is tight. Pull it out, flip that around here, covers up that top portion. Over here, you can do the same thing. Pull this out, move this all the way. Then you have the little piece in here that you want to flip around. This is hard. You may need a spudger. And again, you got to get it right where you need it to plug it in. That ain't it. There we go. Now let's come here. There's two locks that go in the top right here. See if I can get my tweezers. I don't know where my spudger is. Tweezers, pull that out. Sheesh. You can pull this. These arms are tabbed into this backpack, so you can pull that out too and just leave it like that. Pull this out, leave it like that. And then with this out of here, then you can kind of move these pieces, move like this. And they move enough so you can get this chest piece out. It's pegged in down here as well. And it's not the top part. It's not his open up part. It's the whole thing with the white part. Because as you will see, that doubles as part of the truck. So now you got this. And you can move all this stuff now, moves freely. And you want to get this together. You can move this piece. It's pegged on here. You move that up. You can move these up. Flip the sides. Flip the innards. Maybe. Now you want to work on this head, which is, there's a spinning piece on here. You can move this piece around like this. Eventually this piece will come, or you can take it off now because then you can move this better. It's tabbed in right there. It's the gray piece. That's a separate piece. There we go. So that's separated from the back piece, and that gives it room so you can move all this stuff around. Now you have to try to get this head through here. This is probably the trickiest part of this transformation, really. So you move the head like this, move these ears back all the way because they got to go through this and it's very hard. So you move this ear all the way back, and now you have the ears all the way through. Then you can move this kind of, you got to get it wherever it can get through. It's minimal clearance. So it may not be too good, but hey, there you go. Then you can move this back up to get the ears situated. Now there's two things here you want to move out. I believe they're like the gas cans at the bottom. You can move this out of here, then move this up a little on a slider that's in there. So now you have this thing going on. And all of this red piece goes into here. You want to move this piece out because it covers up the head. And this red piece you can fold down in the front and kind of get it all together in there like that. This right here you want to roll around and flip the window up and around before you put it all the way through. Now you can flip these wheels out because you need them out in order to fit all of this stuff in there. Getting down to the get down. Then you move this up here like this, and you got to move this apart a little, and then it pegs in there, and then this goes here and pegs in on the sides right here and at the top. So you get all that situated so you can peg it all together at once. It's really tight once you do all of that. Now with this, you can just move this back through and just tab it back where it was right here. So now you have this going on. You can move this up, the smokestacks, and then pull this down to cover up his face. And you should be able to tab that in. There we go. Everything's covered, head, all. So then we have the front of the cab. And also, just to talk about it now, you can take this cab off and just have it separate. It's like a keyhole where you got to turn it all the way, and then you can get it through the keyhole. I'm not going to do it. Just wanted to put it out there that you can do it and it can separate. So then these move here and in. So they're going to go like this. This portion you can move around to the top or to the sides like this. So it gives you that look of these come into play. You can move the handle up, and then there's two things on the side that pull out because they tab in to here. So you can tab that into there, it'll eventually tab in, and then you can bring this also, flip that around and flip this handle up, and this will tab in back here. Let me see where. Back there like that. Then you can just tab these together. There's a tab here that tabs. So all of this kind of fills it out. Just straighten it up to where it lines up. And you can tab all that together. And yeah, this right here, I don't know how I feel about this stuff. I think it's like that or like this. I think it's like this, but it just seems unfinished. It's just sitting there. So now you have the back. Legs are pretty much similar to every Ultra Magnus transformation. So you can pull this up, pull this up, pull the legs, or you can use this, the rocker, to pull it and pull this like this. You want to pull the back legs right here. They're tabbed on. So when it's like this, you can usually get it untabbed and then pull that out and then flip that in. All of this on the side, you can pull up, flip out, flip this, and flip this up like that. Pull this piece out, and then you can flip that back down. Now you can move this in, have it like this, and then this piece right here will fold on top of it. Now it may hit right here, you do have to like kind of just fold it. Just fold it up because the clearance isn't the greatest right there. So there's a peg here that fits there, and you fold that down. So again, over here, let's do that again. So you move that because all this is pegged in. Move this out of here. Flip this up because then it's going to move back down. But pull all this out. Flip this out. Flip this out. Flip this stuff out. And you can kind of start to see it's a peg here. It's going to peg in there. It pegs into the leg on the side. This pegs over under in the front and holds all that together. Now you want to move this piece out. You can poke it from, you might be able to see it better there. Poke that from there. Move it up. Flip it around. Now move this back and back. So it's up like this. And then move this down in here and it'll peg inside. Now let me see if this one does a little better job. It doesn't. You got to really stretch it over. Let me get this side. That's my only gripe. You know, they do that from time to time. Got to stretch that over to get it locked in. There's an over under right here that you want to get together first. I like to get that together first, because then all of this stuff will fall into place. Make sure you have this right, the waist, because there's the peg that goes into the leg, the peg that goes into the side of the waist, and this up here. So that kind of situates everything. If you got everything right, see how that goes in there. Then this goes in there like that, and then goes into the side of the leg. And then this right here clamps on back here. So all of that is in line. Then you have it situated where you need it. Again, over here, let me show it from this side. There's also a peg at the bottom I didn't notice, besides that over under. So you get the over under there, peg there, the peg here. Might be a little off. There we go. Then you peg this back down here. And then if this came off, then you can put that back on. Home stretch. Now right here, you move this piece up, move it around, and then it'll peg into the bottom of the legs, and it kind of keeps it further together where it needs to be. Here we go, and you know what to do with this. This has two pegs on the side. You pull this down here, peg it on right there, and then peg this on right there. You can move the bottom back up. Straighten all this stuff out. Make sure you have the wheels up, and then the wheels, I almost forgot. Move the wheels down and flip them around so they are touching the ground. And here we are. Now you can bring the missiles in. Oh, I forgot. My fault. I did it on this one, but I forgot to flip this over. Do it now. Let me see if you can do it now. Yeah, it's no problem. Not even hard to do it now. Let's see if all this is straight. Bring the missiles in. You can either put the missiles on the side, which I like them on the side. I just always like them on the side, but I know everybody has their own preference. So there you are with the missiles on the side. But thankfully, you can put them in the front too, if that's your preference. And they look good in the front. I'm just so used to them on the side. But there we are. Again, everybody's preference is different. I don't like the way they look in the front. I'd rather them on the side. But that's it for the transformation. Thanks for watching.
Life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.